Did you know that manufacturing is now one of the top targets for cyber attacks worldwide? A single breach can disrupt production, expose sensitive data, and cost millions. In this video, we'll explore 7 essential cybersecurity best practices every manufacturing company must implement to stay secure. First, implement strong access controls. Restrict system access to only authorized personnel and use multi-factor authentication to strengthen account security. Second, regularly update and patch all software and systems. Outdated software is one of the most common entry points for cyber criminals. Third, train employees to recognize cyber threats. Human error is the leading cause of breaches, so ongoing cybersecurity awareness is critical. Fourth, segment your network. By separating operational technology from IT systems, you can limit the spread of malware and contain potential threats. Fifth, have a clear incident response plan. When an attack happens, quick and coordinated action can minimize downtime and protect your business. Sixth, secure your supply chain. Cybercriminals often exploit vendor vulnerabilities, so ensure partners follow strict security standards. Finally, invest in continuous monitoring. Real-time detection helps you respond immediately to unusual activity before it becomes a major breach. Cybersecurity isn't optional, it's essential for modern manufacturing success. To learn more, visit Consilien.com and discover how you can safeguard your company's future. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert cybersecurity insights.